Hi everyone and welcome to World edX. Today we will be discussing about how to write a proper statement of purpose for foreign universities. Most of the students don't know how to write a proper SOP. That's why आप लोग videos तो बहुत सारे देखते होंगे related to SOP. But still एक proper format और एक सही तरीके को समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है. Don't worry, we are here to guide you towards the right path. आपका SOP सिर्फ एक डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है. This is your narrative. ये आपकी स्टोरी है. This is your ticket to unlock the gates of your dream universities. So how do you make your stand out? ये सवाल हर स्टूडेंट का होता है when they sit down to write their SOP. But remember one thing, your SOP is your chance to shine. Your chance to represent your dreams and aspirations. इसीलिए जरूरी है to infuse your story with truth and creativity. To ensure that your SOP has that X factor that grabs the attention of admission committees. There are some points to keep in mind while writing your SOP. First one, introduction and academic background. Number 2, why this university? Number 3, why this course? Number 4, why this country over your country? And lastly, short-term goals and long-term goals. So without any delay, let's get started. If we talk about introductions and academic background first, you have to keep one thing in your mind. Think of it as your first impression and make it count. आप सभी लोग तो जानते ही होंगे कि आप कोई नई जगह जाते हैं, कोई नया स्कूल ज्वाइन करते हैं या कोई नई यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करते हैं. आपका पहला इंप्रेशन ही होता है जो काउंट होता है. Same goes for introduction writing in SOP. You should write your introduction in such a manner that grabs the attention of a reader. Here's what you can do. You can start with strong opening sentences that can reflect your passion and enthusiasm. And on the other hand, your academic background. यहाँ आपको अपनी educational journey के बारे में बताना है. You have to highlight your achievements, your cool projects, any relevant coursework to showcase your desired skills and knowledge in your chosen field. Remember to keep it concise and impactful. Number 2, why this university? यहाँ आपको ये बताना है कि आपने ये particular university क्यों choose करी. Research is key. Mention specific courses, professors, labs or opportunities that attract you to the university. Number 3, तो अब बात करते हैं why this course. इस सेक्शन में आपको ये बताना है कि आपको अपनी एजुकेशन इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स से क्यों परस्यू करनी है. This should be your detailed explanation जो आपके पैशन और पर्पस को क्लियरली कन्वे करे. Number 4, why this country. यहाँ आपको ये मेंशन करना है कि आपने अपनी कंट्री के बजाय इस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री को क्यों चूज किया. For example, USA provides top-notch education system and a vibrant culture which is simply unbeatable. And this education system can significantly enhance your learning experience. And finally, the last point is conclusion. Your conclusion should tie everything together and leave a lasting impression. Remember, each university is like a puzzle piece and your SOP, it's the missing piece that fits the picture perfectly. SOP can make your profile stand taller than other profiles. Even if you're not eligible for the program, SOP can give you the chance you're waiting for your whole life. Your dreams are closer than you think, and your SOP is the key to unlock the doors to your future. Just remember, you are capable, you are deserving, and you are unstoppable. At World edX, your success is our mission. Dream big, achieve bigger. चलिए World edX के साथ मिलकर आपके dreams and aspirations को एक reality बनाए. If you are still watching this video, then like for more such content and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing updates and videos.